How to use the pec deck machine for chest flies. Adjust seat, weight stack and control arms to your height. Grab one control arm at a time and bring both into the center. Feet planted just outside shoulder width apart, knees slightly pointing outwards and pushing you into the backrest. Neutral spine, head upright, core muscles tight, chest upright, slight bend in the elbows. Then come back on the eccentric motion slow and controlled with a full range of motion, breathing in with a slight pause to contract the front delts and chest muscles. Then on the concentric motion, bring both hands together at a medium pace, breathing out with a slight pause. Also, you want to bring your hands forward and squeezing the pec muscles. Make sure not to lock out the elbows. Then continuing each repetition with correct form and technique.